and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for being here. Today I have a really fun video for you guys. You guys have actually asked for it. It is a YesStyle haul. All green, cruelty-free, clean skincare. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. Don't I look very like fluffy? And I don't know, I love this jacket. I'll be showing you guys where I got this soon. But anyway, I am a YesStyle partner, and so all of this was sent to me in PR, but I wanted to share with you reasonably priced, amazing skincare that is all green, clean, and cruelty-free. Are you ready? I've been using these for the past several months, and so I just wanted to share with you the ones that are my favorite, and I think you guys would obviously benefit from. Now, I'm gonna start with my big category because I'm obsessed, you know, with essence. Again, if you guys don't know what an essences can be anything from a hydrating toner essence. They can basically there to prep the skin. They're basically there to give hydration to the skin. You put on your serums after you put your essence on, you put your serums on while it's still wet, and that way the penetration of your serums is more effective and it kind of slips and slides a lot easier, and you can use less of your serum. So, you've heard me talk about this one. This is the Fermented Complex 94 Boosting Essence. Okay, I love this. If you are looking for a dupe for the Tatcha Essence, one of my holy grails, you gotta get your hands on this. It's so gorgeous. It does obviously have a 94% fermented complex, which is amazing for strengthening the skin, brightening the skin, and overall skin health. It also is pH balanced, so it will balance your skin just like a toner will. So it's like kind of like a 2-in-1. It has whitening and anti-wrinkle properties in it that I try to use kind of brightening skin products throughout my whole routine, and so this is one of them that will gently brighten the skin tone, and has niacinamide 3%. The price point's great on this. Now it says to put on a cotton ball. I don't. I just literally take the top off, put it in my hands, and pat it all over my face, okay? So this would be great for anybody that is super, super dry, normal, even somebody that has combination skin, this would be great for. It does have a little bit of a thicker consistency, so for oily skin, I might recommend one of the other ones that I have sitting right here. Now, this one I have used for quite a while. This is, and I just so you guys know, I rotate between my essences every single day. It's not like you need all of these. Just pick the one that sounds right for your skin type and go with that. I just have a tendency to be a little obsessive over them. This is beautiful. I've used this, again, quite a bit of this. This is from I'm From, and it's their rice toner. Again, great price point. This is definitely more of a milky toner essence. This is going to be great for all skin types, but especially oily. You absolutely can do acneic, but if you're oily, combination normal, it's not going to be as hydrating as the other one we talked about for drier skin types. It does pH balance the skin. It's very milky. Let me see if I can show you guys. It has whitening and anti-aging ingredients, just like the one from Purito that we just talked about. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see it. It's literally like a milk. And it's super, super lightweight. And I love it. And I just, again, pop that right on my skin with my hands, clean hands. You can obviously use a cotton ball if you want, but I just feel like it wastes product. That does have rice extracts in it, which protect the skin from photo damage, which is basically from the sun and pollutants and things of that nature. So it's a really beautiful essence toner, lightweight essence. Now, these three, I actually use this one on my daughter. This is also from I'm From. It is a little bit pricier, but it's 34 bucks for an essence. But the reason being, I have my notes here just to make sure I don't get anything wrong. This is vegan friendly, and it contains 64% of fig extracts. And that says that it penetrates deeper into the skin, and it's a lot more moisturizing. I've been noticing when we're going into the winter months, gray skin, I use this too, but gray skin, really flaky and dry. And when I started using this on her, it hasn't done that since. So I love this. It does contain peptides, amino acids to help with barrier function. So there's a lot more that's in this essence than some of the others. And it's a lot lighter weight. This would be great for all skin types, okay? Now this one is something interesting. I obviously, you can see I've used quite a bit of it. I put this on a cotton pad. This is from a brand called Dear Claire's, and it's a supple penetration unscented toner. And the reason why I got this or requested it was because I wanted to try something unscented, because I know a lot of us are trying to stay away from fragrance as much as we can, and this is a great option, but it is a little bit thicker, but it's almost like a pre-cleanse, if that makes sense. So you can wash your skin and then you wipe this all over the skin, and it just makes sure there's no residue or anything left on the skin. Again, it's unscented, and it is oil-free, and it is rebalances the pH of the skin, and then it also is just really deeply moisturizing. So I've never really seen another product like this. It's definitely a big cross between an essence and a toner. Done very well. If you guys have heard of this or heard of this brand, like, comment below. Maybe I'm the one that's sleeping on this. It does contain one of my favorite ingredients, which is beta-glucan. So if you're looking for a beta-glucan serum, and you just want it kind of all in one, this might be one to check out. Beta-glucan is an amazing humectant. It's, in my opinion, much better than hyaluronic acid, and it's much more appropriate for people that live in climates like me, where there's very little humidity and things in the air. But it's gorgeous. I've really been enjoying this. I've actually been using this around my eyes to take off makeup when I wear my Lashify lashes, because it has no oils in it and stuff like that. So I love it. Now this is actually a new moisturizer. Now you guys have asked me about moisturizers. Isn't this kind of cool packaging? It looks very kind of medical or pharmaceutical. This is also by Purito, and this is the Deep Sea Pure Water Cream. This is going to be for your normal to super dry skin. It is very hydrating, gorgeous. I use this a lot more at night. This has 60% deep sea water plus 2% niacinamide. So if you are, a little sensitive to niacinamide, this might be a better one to go to instead of this, because this has a higher percentage of niacinamide in it, not by much. This does have hyaluronic acid in it and panthenol, so those are fantastic hydrators for the skin, and it does have some really great ingredients like seaweed. So this is a beautiful moisturizer. It kind of comes like that. Again, it's not, I mean, it's hydrating, but it's not overly hydrating, and you can actually use just a little bit and work that into the skin, and it doesn't necessarily have to be so heavy, but it is non-greasy. There is no fragrance in it. I can still snap my fingers. It sinks into the skin really, really quickly. You can see my eczema on my hand is coming back. But it just sinks into the skin so beautifully. But the marine algae and seaweed in here really feeds and nourishes the skin. So I've been kind of excited about this moisturizer. Again, price points on all of these are so fantastic. Oh, and by the way, go in the description box. I have a discount link that is not affiliated, but I have a discount link for you guys to get some percentage off. All right, I'll leave you with 2 SPFs. Okay, I use both of these actually in my treatment room. I think they are beautiful. Again, Purito is killing it, this brand right now. I just am loving. I'll tell you, so this is the one that I wear a ton. This is the Comfy Water Sunblock SPF 50. And this is for more dry to normal skin types because it is more hydrating. It leaves the skin very beautiful, glowy. I don't usually need a moisturizer if I put this on, but depends on the weather. It is oil-free, and this is a physical SPF. It is 70% water-based formula and 100% physical and a non-nano sunblock. It is just really gorgeous, and I think that the price point obviously is great, and it just is a great SPF. And then this one is for my more normal to oily skin types. I literally just ordered another bottle because I use it like water in my skin studio. None of these have fragrance in them. This is, again, essential oil free, and it has organic UV filters. It's SPF 50, as well as there's no white cast. Again, it's physical sunblock, and no white cast at all. So for my deeper skin tones, you really might kind of look into this and see if this is something that you want to look in, might want to get. It is still hydrating, but it is more of a It's definitely more of a gel. Okay, it's like a gel SPF. You can see right here. It's just, it goes right into the skin so gosh darn beautifully. And then it's gone. You know what I mean? It's just done. So those have been real big standouts to me, are these SPFs, and I'm happy to have them. Really, really happy to have them. So yay for a YesStyle haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Again, like, I'm trying to bring you guys not just the skincare I personally use every single day, because there is so much on the market. Now, again, I've tried all of these and I stand by all of these, but they also are really quite affordable, which is what we want right now. We want to be able to have great quality, clean, cruelty-free skincare, but at a reasonable price. And so I think this is a great selection of those types of products. So comment below, let me know if you guys have tried any of these, if they're any of your holy grails, and I'll see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.